This is a module of a fictional college English class that discusses why Pride and Prejudice is considered a classic novel that continues to resonate with people today. This particular module has students read a literary retelling of Pride and Prejudice, with several of the titles showcasing authors with different cultural backgrounds. It's envisioned as a 2-week module later in the course, building on work that was done in earlier weeks. It begins with a micro lecture from the instructor that features a narrated PowerPoint presentation packed with images that was filmed using Camtasia, explaining the difference between retellings and adaptations.
Hi class! In this module, we're going to focus on retellings of Pride and Prejudice.
This is followed by a brief text overview of the goal of the module, having students determine if the literary retelling they read is successful. The next section explicitly states the objectives of the module for students to keep in mind as they go through the different assignments. The pre-work and resources is a reminder of assignments they completed in previous modules that would be relevant to the current work, as well as some optional articles the students would find interesting or helpful. The reading section allows the students to choose which of the retellings they would like to focus on, since student choice is important where possible. It also provides resources to help them in evaluating what they read. Another feature in this section would be a short animated video about how to take notes on literature that would have been part of the first module. The first week's discussion activity focuses on characters. The students will make video posts in Flipgrid instead of traditional text posts to help build the community aspects of the class. This module features a team presentation that is due at the end of the second week. A team check-in is factored into week 1 to provide students with guidance about how best to work in groups. Specific tasks such as naming the team and discussing the schedule, as well as introducing collaborative technology, a group wiki page, are given to help the team get started along with an external resource. Since this is an English class, written work is important. This week's major assignment is a reflection piece in the journal they share with their professor. The directions are specific, with journaling prompts, words required, and expectations for language, grammar, and composition. It also states when the instructor will provide feedback. There is a text discussion forum for week 2, but the major assignment is the team project. This is where students who have chosen the same books would work together on a recorded presentation discussing whether their book was a successful retelling using supporting examples. Technology details are specified, and a rubric of expectations is included. To encourage accountability, there is a graded team evaluation required that is submitted directly to the instructor. Students are encouraged to use examples to justify their ratings. Each module would feature a checklist to recap the due dates for the entire module. While each section shows the due dates in bold, it is helpful to have all the due dates in one location for planning purposes. The final section encourages students to reach out to their instructor if they feel like they need help at any time. It also reminds them of class policies and has a quick link to the syllabus and the instructor bio, so these items are easily accessible. By providing clear instructions and due dates, student choice, variety in assignments, explanatory resources, feedback, and encouragement throughout the module, this should be an engaging and valuable learning experience.